Hello everyone, hope you are well, and today I will show you a beautiful turtle. How can you make this? So you can see here the turtle program. It is very beautiful to see, and I will show you step by step and describe it. So hopefully you enjoy this video. So for this I have to first import the turtle library from Python. So import turtle as tree. Now I have to set the background skin of turtle. So for this you have to write trtl dot call skin function and set background color basic color. I set here the black. You can change it. I like black. So then you have to declare the pen size. You have to declare the pen size of that tab. So for this I have to declare the pen size. trtl dot pen size. trtl dot pen size. The weight of the pen is 2.5. So next you have to set the speed of pen. So for this you have to write turtle dot speed and set the speed of the turtle. I set it 20. That is perfect. So then I have to make a low to draw the actual figure, the circle. So for this, for I in range, I have to loop 6 times. So for color, I have to set the color and regular list, color list. So first of all, I want to see the violet color. And then I want to see the white color. And then blue. And then I want to see green. Then I want to see one is yellow. Then orange. Orange and then red. So here I see here is 4 color I have set. Now I have to set the color of the turtle. So turtle trtl dot color and set the parameter of color variable. Now I have to draw a circle. So for this, turtle dot circle and set the radius of the circle is 80. Then I have to move the turtle. When one cycle is completed, then it moves the next cycle. And for this, I have to declare the angle to move. Turtle dot left 10 degree. So when a cycle is completed, it moves 10 degree left. Then at the last of the row, I want to hide the turtle dot height. So when The process is completed, the turtle is automatically hide and the program is closed. So if I run this program, I can see the expected output here. So I see here the program is worked perfectly. So I think you will enjoy this video, and if you're new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification when I upload a new video, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you so much.